Alrighty guys, the great blizzard of 2026 it's going nuts. So I shoveled this at this spot at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. And before I shoveled, it was 9 inches. I had to shovel so my dogs can come out and go pee. This is a lot. It's kind of getting cold now. I can't make it over there. I don't know how I'm gonna try to measure the snow out. Well, I told you guys I'd get your measurement, so let's do it. Let's stop complaining, let's just do it. Oh by golly. 1 foot of snow. 1 foot of snow. 10 inches on there. Oh by golly. Oh yeah. Oh bye. And I was stupid. I was like, oh, it's not going to snow that much. So I didn't end up getting that much wood. So I'm going to go in there, warm up the house. Get extremely warmly dressed. And go back and grab some more logs. Because it's going to not stop snowing by the looks of it. Oh yeah. I love you guys. Stay warm. Stay with each other. Try not to go out if you can help it. I love you guys. That snowbank's as tall as me. Ooh. See, as far as my dogs made it to go pee, because it's up to their almost up to their side. Sam hasn't been out yet, so who knows what that's gonna be like. Alrighty, guys. Love you all. Have a good night. Stay warm. Stay true to yourself.